Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a clip in Adobe After Effects. So now you will need to open your Adobe After Effects software and follow these simple steps. After you open your software, you will need to import the video that you want to clip. So basically you will right click here on the project panel and go import file and choose the video that you want to cut. Then you will go here, drag it to the layer panel and go to the parts that you want to cut or clip, and just click on Ctrl Shift and T, and you will have your layer that is being cut. So after that you can just delete this part, or you can just have your splitted uh, layer or video. Otherwise, you can do it from here in the edit menu. So down we will find this the split layer option. So you click on it and it has the same effect. So basically either you go to edit and click on split layer, or you just click on this shortcut and click on Ctrl plus Shift plus T, and you will have the same effect. So this is, or those are the methods, and now those are the methods to clip or to cut and split your layers. And if you want to animate them each one individually, you have the possibility to. So basically this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.